Hello guys, if you're trying to change or unlock alternate outfits in UFC 6, you'll first need to unlock them for the fighters that support them. You can do this by heading over to the gym section and checking your fighter rewards. Some fighters have special cosmetics and fight kits that are unlocked as you level them up. For example, if you select a fighter and open their reward cycle, you'll be able to see all of the items you can unlock. Depending on the fighter, these can include special fight kits, retro outfits, championship themed cosmetics, and even other cosmetic rewards. As you progress and unlock these rewards, they'll become available for that specific fighter. Once you have unlocked an alternate outfit, you won't be able to equip it directly from the main menu, which is where many people get confused. To actually use the alternate attire, head over to Fight Now or any mode where you are selecting a fighter, including online modes. When choosing your fighter, select them as normal and you'll see their currently equipped fight kit. From there, simply scroll through the available outfit options. If you have unlocked additional cosmetics, they'll appear in the list alongside the default outfits. For example, some fighters may have alternate fight kits from previous years, retro outfits, or championship themed appearances. The available outfits will vary from fighter to fighter, depending on what you have unlocked through their reward progression. If you are playing career mode with a created fighter, you can customize their appearances separately through the fighter customization options. But for real UFC fighters, you'll need to unlock their alternate outfits first and then select them manually whenever you are choosing that fighter for a match. Once unlocked, you can use these alternate attires in offline matches and supported online modes simply by selecting the outfit you want before starting the match. Hope this cleared things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.